Around town, people have been talking to me and asking me questions. They would always tell me they really like my hat. How did you get this hat? I wish I had a hat like that. And then that got me thinking, how come people don't have hats like mine? Maybe they just don't know how to wear it? So I decided to make this video on a step-by-step guide on how to wear a hat. Step 1, find a hat. First thing you gotta do before wearing a hat is to find a hat to wear. So you gotta look for a hat, and obviously you have to find one that you could physically wear. Hats are almost everywhere. They're everywhere you can look. They could be in your closet, they could be in a store, they could be pretty much anywhere you want. As long as you are looking for a hat, you have to find the hat first. Which luckily right here, I have a hat right here. So step 1's already done for me. Step 2, consider wearing the hat. Now that you've got your hat, would you consider wearing it? This could be really hard for some people because sometimes people can't decide whether or not they should wear the hat. Sometimes they look better without a hat. Sometimes they look good with a hat. So you really gotta ask yourself this difficult question. Do you want to wear this hat or not? This might give you some time to understand, and maybe this will take a while to get the real answer to. Step 3, wear the hat. Now that you finally decided, you say, yes, I would like to wear the hat. So here's what you gotta do. Ready, people? You just gotta take the hat and place it gently on top of your head. And there you go. That's how you wear a hat. Remember those 3 steps. If you are having trouble, just watch this video again and let me know what you feel after you wear a hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys later.